Hey everyone, my name is Caleb Swanepoel and I'm so excited to join you today for the Genium X4 fitting, a knee designed to help keep up with real life and real movements. In this video, I'll show you what your trial fitting will look like with your prosthetist and how the Genium X4 is engineered to deliver confident, natural motion throughout your day. During your trial, your prosthetist will take you through all the benefits of the Genium X4, as well as set it up to best respond to your steps, your pace, and your lifestyle. So this is your moment to explore the tech, try it in different spaces, and see how it fits to your world. All right, let's jump in and let's get started. Thank you so much for spending time with me and getting to know the Genium X4 a little bit better. It's built to deliver customized stability and support, also you can move freely and confidently on your terms. If you're curious to feel the difference firsthand, I absolutely encourage you to schedule a trial fitting with your prosthetist. Experience it yourself, it's truly the best part.